Welcome to Refresh Nest, where we believe that a beautiful outdoor space doesn't have to cost a fortune. With summer just around the corner, it's the perfect time to spruce up your backyard or patio without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll share 5 budget-friendly ways to upgrade your outdoor space and create a stylish and inviting retreat for the warmer months ahead. Cozy seating area. First up, let's create a cozy seating area where you can relax and unwind with friends and family. Start by repurposing old furniture or scouting for affordable pieces at thrift stores or garage sales. Arrange chairs, benches, or even floor cushions to create a comfortable seating arrangement. Add outdoor pillows and throws for a pop of color and extra coziness. Don't forget to include a coffee table or side tables for drinks and snacks. Lighting solutions. Next, let's brighten up your outdoor space with creative lighting solutions. Instead of splurging on expensive light fixtures, opt for DIY options that are both budget-friendly and customizable. Hang string lights or fairy lights to create a magical ambiance in your backyard or patio. You can also repurpose mason jars or tin cans into lanterns by adding candles or LED lights. Get creative with your lighting design and let your personality shine. Container gardening. Bring the beauty of nature to your outdoor space with container gardening. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, container gardening is a versatile and budget-friendly way to add greenery and color to your outdoor oasis. Choose a variety of plants, such as flowers, herbs, and vegetables, that thrive in containers and complement your outdoor aesthetic. Get creative with your plant arrangements and experiment with different colors, textures, and heights to create visual interest. Outdoor decor. Add personality and charm to your outdoor space with DIY decor projects. Get crafty and make your own outdoor accessories, such as planters, wall art, or decorative accents. Use materials like reclaimed wood, pallets, or thrifted items to keep costs low. Get inspired by nature and incorporate natural elements like rocks, driftwood, or seashells into your decor. Projects not only save money but also allow you to express your creativity and make your outdoor space uniquely yours. Functional additions. Finally, consider adding functional elements to your outdoor space that enhance its usability and convenience. Invest in multifunctional furniture pieces, such as storage benches or foldable tables, that maximize space and serve multiple purposes. Install a shade sail or canopy to provide relief from the sun and create a comfortable outdoor retreat even on hot summer days. Don't forget about practical amenities like a grill, outdoor kitchen, or fire pit for outdoor entertaining and enjoyment. And there you have it, 5 budget-friendly ways to upgrade your outdoor space for summer. With a little creativity and ingenuity, you can transform your backyard or patio into a welcoming retreat that's perfect for enjoying the sunny days ahead. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, lounging with a good book, or simply soaking up the sunshine, these simple and affordable upgrades will help you make the most of your outdoor living space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Refresh Nest for more home improvement tips, DIY projects, and budget-friendly hacks. Happy summer, and happy outdoor decorating!